Did you know that over 90% of designers say rendering software is essential for their projects? That's right. If you're in the design world, you probably can't imagine working without it. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic. For all you designers out there, interior rendering software in 2025, having the right tools is more crucial than ever to bring your creative visions to life. As designers, we spend hours perfecting every detail, from the color of the walls to the exact texture on the sofa. But sometimes, no matter how hard we work, our ideas don't always shine through as we'd like. Let's start with something every designer can relate to: realism. It's one thing to have the design all planned out, but if the render doesn't look real, it's hard for clients to fully understand the vision. Ever felt like your renders look more like digital models than actual spaces? It's a common struggle among designers. You must have spent hours crafting the perfect design, only to find that when it's rendered, it just doesn't feel real. The colors might look off, the textures might lack depth, and the lighting might not capture the mood you envisioned. It can be frustrating, especially when you want to convey the true beauty of your designs. With Foyr Neo, the renders don't just look good, they look alive. The software's advanced photorealistic rendering engine brings out details like textures, shadows, and lighting, just as they would appear in real life. Whether it's the softness of a velvet couch, the glow from a pendant light, or the fine grain of a wooden floor, Neo captures it all. It's like stepping into the room, rather than just looking at a design. Now, let's talk about time. As designers, we've all been there, spending hours on one render, adjusting every little thing to get it just right. And when you have tight deadlines, that extra time can really add up. Wouldn't it be amazing to cut down the time it takes to create stunning visuals? As designers, we're constantly juggling multiple projects, and time is always a constraint. We all know how long it can take to tweak every little detail in a design, waiting for renders to process, only to realize you need to make more changes. It can feel like a never-ending cycle of edits and renders that takes up more time than we'd like. Foyr Neo is designed with efficiency in mind. It's not just about rendering quickly. It's about working smart. Neo's drag-and-drop functionality and intuitive interface let you seamlessly move through your design process without constantly navigating complex tools. Imagine being able to create a fully realized space in minutes, not hours. This speed means you can iterate more quickly, test different layouts, materials, and color schemes, and see the results instantly. Plus, Foyr Neo's real-time rendering allows you to adjust on the go, so if a client wants to see how the room looks with a different wall color or flooring, you can make those changes and see them immediately. No more waiting around for updates. Just instant, high-quality visuals that keep you moving forward with your design. Last but not least, let's talk complexity. Some software has so many tools and features that it feels like you need a degree just to get started. You end up watching tutorials instead of creating. Wouldn't it be great if rendering software could be powerful, but still easy to use? We've all been there. Some software is packed with incredible features, but feels like you need a degree to operate it. On the other hand, some tools are easy to use, but lack the power to bring your designs to life in the way you want. It's that frustrating balance between getting the right results and not spending hours just trying to figure out how to use the software. One of Foyr Neo's biggest strengths is how user-friendly it is, even for complex projects. Instead of overwhelming you with countless features, Neo's interface is designed to be intuitive, helping you jump right in without a steep learning curve. You get powerful tools that are streamlined for usability, so you don't need hours of tutorials just to get started. And the best part? Foyr Neo organizes all its tools so logically that you can quickly access exactly what you need. The software's layout guides you naturally, from concept to finished render, making each step, like adding furniture, choosing colors, and setting lighting, feel smooth and efficient. It's perfect for both seasoned designers looking for a faster workflow and beginners who need a platform that's easy to navigate without sacrificing quality. And the best part? You can try it all out for free. There's no better way to see what Foyr Neo can do than by exploring it firsthand. Dive in, experiment with different designs, and see how quickly you can bring your ideas to life. Don't forget to check out the link in the bio for a 14-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to elevate your design process. Until next time, happy designing!